Welcome to Sky High by Harsha Developers, painted by Technopaint. Hi everyone, today I'm standing in front of a true marvel of modern construction, the Harsha Developers Sky High project here in Shakepet. This G+21 luxury high-rise, built using state-of-the-art Mevon technology, features 5 towers of premium 4 BHK apartments. And do you know who played a key role in making this project stand out? Technopaints. Technopaints has completely redefined the way painting projects are executed, delivering excellence from the first brushstroke to the final coat. What sets them apart is the dedication to quality, innovation, and on-time delivery. For the exteriors, Technopaints didn't just bring their products, they brought their expertise. After thorough surface assessments, they applied level and fine textures to eliminate wall undulations and bridge cracks, creating a seamless, luxurious look. To top it off, they use their Protect Plus emulsion, which offers exceptional weather resistance, UV protection, and a satin finish that will stay flawless for up to 10 years. Inside these towers, Technopaints recommended their wall care putty, which provides an ultra-smooth water-resistant finish, and their classic internal emulsion, a product that's not only smooth and washable, but is also resistant to stains and fungi. These choices ensure that the interiors are as durable and elegant as the exteriors. Remember, when it comes to execution and transforming spaces, no one does it better than Technopaints. With a team of 100 professionals working daily, Technopaints ensured consistent progress on this project. Their unique execution process includes an uninterrupted supply of materials, agile manpower, exclusive project-based supervisors, and personal monitoring by their management from start to finish. Every detail was perfected to exceed expectations. Technopaint's excellence is built on years of rigorous in-house R&D. They're constantly innovating, ensuring that their products and techniques are always ahead of the curve. This dedication has earned them a trusted name in the industry. As Technopaints will continue to execute landmark projects like this in various cities of India, their vision for the future is clear: to lead the painting industry with unparalleled quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Here is to many more breathtaking projects from Technopaints, where every stroke tells a story of excellence.